excited?
Yes.
How excited are you?
Happy.
Happy? Yay! Ella sing. Ella loves to sing. Do this unboxing today.
Mommy, I want to do this.
You, which one?
You do that one, I do that.
Okay, we're gonna make really cute cupcakes.
It's awesome. To roll it.
And yeah, and then we're gonna roll it like we do when we make real cupcakes. Alright, so today we are going to do an unboxing of this Play-Doh set, and we're going to be making some Play-Doh desserts. You can definitely make tasty looking desserts from Play-Doh, but don't eat it, okay? Do not eat it. Even if it looks tasty, don't eat it. You can't eat the Play-Doh. Alright.
Now eat the Play-Doh.
Yeah, good job. Alright, so first I'm going to open this, and I believe I have to also put it together, assemble it. So let's begin. Huh? Yeah, I was cutting the tape. Ooh, look at that. And it has Play-Doh. So these, the set brings 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 extra Play-Doh. Whoa.
Play-Doh giant.
Interesting. Let me see. What else is there? Wow. And I think these are the instructions. Yes, very important. Follow directions. Alright, and that's it. we gotta put it together now. You wanna open these?
Yes.
I love smelling these.
I like to smell that one.
Whoa, let me see. Look at this pretty color, Ella. Whoa.
I want to smell it.
Smell it. Smells like, whoa. Why we always end up dropping things? You got it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, dirty.
You got dirty?
No.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Look how cute this color is.
Let me do my green one.
And I love these colors because they are so bright. Good job! This is yellow. Awesome. When it's done baking, you pick it up. And look, it comes with 2 cute little plates.
What's a plate?
What we need. Yes.
Mommy, look.
Together we have this first part, and then we have to, I believe, put these together. Alright, let me see.
Yummy.
There we go. How cool is this? Whoa, you heard that? Whoa.
I want a pinky, Mama.
Alright,
I want a pinky.
press it down.
Okay.
How cool is that? That is so cool. Now, harder. See? Alright, and now that these 2 are attached together, we put them this side right here. Alright, hold on. Alright, I want to see if I have the right thing first. Yeah, right there. And then what we gotta do is push it. There we go. Careful with your hands, okay? I have to push it down. There we go. Woo! It's so adorable.
Let's do it this
I guess this is the oven where we bake. Alright. Oh, I forgot something. Alright, so it's saying here that this comes out. This is what we use to roll the Play-Doh. Whoa! Alright, and then we put it back in here. We use it when we need it. Alright, cool. Pretty easy. Are you doing it?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes. I can't do it.
Like that. So So you want to make a cupcake?
Yes.
Let's make a cupcake. All right, so we gotta put the mold in here, like this. What color do you want to make a cupcake?
Pink.
Pink? Like this one? Yummy cupcake batter in here, please.
Yes.
Okay, I might need more. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this like in a bowl like this.
Can I put a bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's like, all right.
I don't see a bowl.
Oh, right. We can do that. All right, let's close this. And then you're going to bake it.
Okay.
And then you're going to press it. You're gonna hear the bell. What does that mean?
Bell.
That is ready. Yay! Alright. And we're gonna do it like that. And then it comes out. How are we gonna take this out? Whoops.
Oh.
Oh, that is so cute. We have a cupcake. Yay! Hold it. And then I'm gonna push it down. All right, whoops. All right, and then we're gonna roll it, slowly, roll it. Oh my God, it is so cute. All right, and let it go. Whoa! You can't eat it. It's Play-Doh. And this is the cupcake we made. You like it?
I wanna make you blue.
And now you want to make a blue one? Here's our first cupcake.
Wow.
You want to make a blue? Is it delicious?
Yes.
Yay!
I'm gonna try and get some.
Oh, yeah, it still has plenty of frosting. But leave it right there for now. And then you want us to make another cupcake, right? And you want it blue? All right, so we're gonna put.
We have blue, Mom, right here.
Oh, okay.
That one.
This one is. This is not a cupcake. This one is a bun cake. No, a pie. This one's a pie. Go ahead.
Let me do pudding.
All right, and then we're going to bake it. Whoa! Wait, hold on. Let me get it out of here softly.
Mama, I want to do that one.
You want to do that one? Pink Play-Doh. Is there more? Ooh, yay! All right. How about we make a cute strawberry? How about I like fruits on my pie.
I'm gonna do the blue.
So I'm gonna do a strawberry.
I need pie.
Yeah. Okay. My strawberry.
Oh.
Isn't it cute?
That's really cute.
It's adorable.
Oh, one.
I'm gonna put some more stuff on my pie.
I want that one.
You want that one?
It's for my makeup to put it in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna use those little pieces you're dropping for decor on my pie.
Okay.
Where's the mold for the pie? Is this one?
It's this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's that one.
I'm gonna do it next.
Okay, you're gonna make it into a bowl. Let me give it a little more. Whoa!
Drop it.
There you go. Make it into a cute bowl.
I can't. I really like that.
Let me see. I'll help you.
Do it.
Let me first put the mold in here.
It looks like an ice cream.
It does.
Yeah, I was watching my tablet.
Yeah.
Like an ice cream shop.
Do it again. Press it. Good job. Perfect. I think you have to press it a little more out, like that. See? Hold on. Let me help you.
I'm gonna do this.
All right. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you one more time. Hold on. All right. There you go. A little bit more.
You have to slide it like this.
No, higher. There we go. Right there. Good.
Okay, Mom, like that.
Press it down. See? Alright. Alright, let it go.
What? Let me do my thing for mine.
Yeah, right there. And
Let me do it.
here, let me make your heart.
Oh.
Hold on, you have to press it more. Alright, go. Good job.
Let me do more.
Alright, Ella.
Is that
Yeah, right there.
there?
Alright. Hold on, let me get the bow first. That's so cool, right? Look how cute. Look how cute that bow is.
That's for my
Hold on, let me just take the extra stuff off.
These are? Okay. These are extra.
Yeah, this is just extra. See?
Oh.
See? You like it? And
It's mine.
wait. Put sprinkles like the way I did with mine. Here. I'll make them into tiny bowls and then you're gonna put them here on the side. Okay, ready? Perfect. Here you go. Turn it around and then there's more. Hold it. Yeah, there you go. And here's more. You like it? You got something on your face. Make some cookies and put them here.
That's small, Mama.
What shape cookies you want to do? Press it a little more. Alright, and then you gently take it out. Here's the spoon.
Yeah, that's a spoon. Gentle.
Take the extra out. Do it gently, okay?
Okay.
And here we have some cookies that we have done. We have a pretzel cookie and we have a heart cookie. And here are the rest of our dessert that we made.
All done.
Is it good? Is it tasty?
Yes. Oh. Whoopsie. The monk and the teddy bear and the monkey and the
Yeah.
ball. It's the ball and the puppy.
Yeah.
And the puppy and the thing.
Alright, let me make a big cookie for you. Whoa, look how cute that is.
A cookie. It's a cookie.
Yeah.
It's a cookie tiger.
Yes, it
Let me
is.
take it off with my finger.
Alright. But be gentle so you don't break it.
I did.
Like so. How cool is that? That is so cool, right? And then on the side, you can put some frosting. Mmm, yummy, yummy cookie. Yay!
Okay.
And then you can put some sprinkles on the ice cream.
Sprinkle on the ice cream.
Yep, here you go. Right on top here. You can put some sprinkles. You have cookies, frosting, and ice cream.
Where is it? Where is it?
No, put it right on top, right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the top. Good.
It's good? Now put it over there in your kitchen. Thank you so much for playing with us. And we're gonna eat this really yummy dessert now.
That's mine.
That was yours? Alright, so I'll eat this one then. Mmm. Alright. Alright, thank you so much for watching Ella's World.